So, quick poll, do your walls need another story to tell? Or do you just like peeking into a centuries old house? Just head up the staircase and an amazing, eclectic world awaits you. After 50 years of art, airports, and after dinner debates, one family's treasure hunt is officially open to the public. Think Japanese wood blocks next to Marimekko fabric, brass candlesticks flanking die cast airplanes. Eclectic? Absolutely. Chaotic? Only in the best way. Vintage dresses from the roaring 20s through the 80s, waiting for another dance or just to complete your style. You decide. Books stacked high that still smell like libraries. Botanical prints that look like flowers pressed between the pages. Olympic posters and souvenirs celebrating sport and the good old US of A at its finest. Vintage Christmas ornaments and the most charming set of nutcrackers you'll encounter. Because even though it finally, thankfully, feels like summer, December arrives sooner than you think. And vintage toys piled high. Star Wars, Play School, so cool. No screenagers allowed, just your imagination and a touch of nostalgia. So bring a tote bag and a sense of adventure, leave with something that makes big box decor feel painfully shy. And if you need to fight your way out, pick up the hooker's friend, slip it into your pocket, and make your escape. This Saturday and Sunday, wander over while the coffee's still hot. Lincoln Park, two-story time capsule, Sophia's estate sales. Tag a friend who never met a flea market find or garage sale they didn't like, and drop a comment telling us the oldest item in your house. We'll compare notes at the checkout table. And follow Picardy as we explore the best estate sales, whether in Lincoln Park or in a galaxy far, far away.